Hey y'all, what's up? And today I'm going to be doing another vlog for you guys. And in today's vlog is an exciting one. Today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to day one of Rolling Loud Bay Area. That's right, I'm going to Rolling Loud, bitches. I am so excited. I have literally been waiting over a year for this day. I've been preparing. I've been knowing exactly what I'm gonna wear for months. Like, I have been so fucking pumped. So I'm gonna take you guys with me day one and day two. Now, obviously, I'm in my hotel. I'm already all ready, but we're not leaving for like another hour or so. But I just like to be ready on time. So I'm gonna show you guys the fit because the fit goes absolutely nuts. Well, this is some of the fit. So I got this tube top from Amazon. These pants are from Fashion Nova and this belt's from Fashion Nova as well. Also, can y'all see how long my braids are? Like, do y'all see how long these are? Braids by Brie did that, period. Period. Me and my boyfriend are matching. Oh, and Devin is here too. I'm literally going with my favorite people in the whole world to Rolling Loud. These people right here and my two sisters, they're just not in here. I'm so excited, it's gonna be so fun. Are you guys ready for Rolling fucking Loud, bro? Hey, go. This is their first Rolling Loud. This is my second Rolling Loud. Hey, if you've been in Rolling Loud, then you know you gotta be prepared because that shit's absolutely crazy. Y'all, we are on our way to Rolling Loud. I'm so excited. We got Devin, we got Haley, we got Bianca and Lee. We have my boyfriend Jonte, and we have Tata who snatched my spot in the car, but it's okay. Oh my God, I'm so fucking excited. Are y'all excited?
You what?
Wow, you guys sound really pumped. I promise they're excited. Baby, we're going to Rolling Loud, period. Hey, we matching though? We matching? Hey, let me see the shoes though. This boy is wearing his Versace to Rolling Loud.
And it just goes.
What white line?
Bruh, Rolling Loud really got their own cereal though. You guys, I met one of the fucking creators of Rolling fucking Loud. I met Tarek, and oh my fucking God, he was so nice. I'm freaking out because I fucking love Rolling Loud. Like, this shit, great day. But he out here catching blunts from rappers and shit. Go, hey, go, period. Hey, go, guys.
Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no entertaining me. I love my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar beat. Cause when I need money, I ain't tryna hold. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him what put my name on that account. Because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. Can be fucked with, no.
Scream sky, look, sky, look, sky. Y'all loud as fuck. One more time, look, sky.
Let's go. Get in my way and try to pop me. I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked her while she gave me top. I guess that's my profession. Got no regrets. I made mistakes, but I learned from my lessons. Trapping by the stoop till it's pull up to the coupe. Pull my car, ain't got no roof. Thought the shit was cool. I thought it go. I can feel my face smoking on Gorilla Glue. Zooming in the coupe. That's the shit I like to do. These is yellow diamonds shining like I'm Pikachu. Bitch, I'm a boss nigga. Get that bag and make the move. Okay, no, I don't like to lose. So I be going in. Yeah, I'm trying to cop a Benz. Yeah, pull up and drop like 10. Yeah, you trying to chase the life. Well, I'm trying to chase the bands. Yeah, she wanna fuck with friends. Yeah, I gotta everybody hands up. Let's ride. But now they tell me I should stop. Take this backwood to the face, they burn my top. Lil' shorty said she coming through, she on the way to. Hands up, let's go. Hey, but now they tell me I should stop. Let's go. Take this backwood to the face, they burn my top. Lil' shorty said she coming through, she on the way to. My nigga, it's a lot of seeing shorty what you, she look at me and she blush. I'm a jiggy nigga, I can take her out to lunch. It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. Hey, babe, not a lot of love. It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. We day, bitch, not a lot of love. It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. But I love y'all though. Make some motherfucking noise! Got my garage, now I'm in a position for this like a sabotage. I ain't fighting under pressure, I ain't switching from the low. I ain't talking to the clock and I ain't telling them my pros. Ain't no killer, but no push me fingers looking on that pole. Niggas plotting on my come up, gotta watch stay in my nose. Long as I sold drugs since they hit the studio. Now I'm in steaking shrimp and China eating CEO. Looking to the mirror, flexing now a nigga in his club. Bust off like a Smith and Wesson, welcome to the rodeo. I got tattoos on my face, I use that shit as motivation. I can never get a jostle for my dream, I'm dedicated. For a second, lost myself, I was too busy getting faded. Now they see me out in public, can't be knowing what my name is. All these rappers want the clout, and the life of being famous. I just wanna be stable, tell my family we made it. I was coming for my spot, a young nigga had to be patient. Now I'm running up these bands, can hit the eye. Hands up, let's ride. Haters, you can say I'm constipated. 5 racks on his face, just to stunt while I'm in Vegas. Narcotic on my body. Shout out to my nigga Caleb, young niggas got the kick on that bitch on the dick. I ain't fighting under pressure, I ain't switching for no hoe. I ain't talking to the cop and I ain't telling on my bro. I ain't no killer, but the pussy fingers itching on that pole. Niggas
They want me no shame on you, no shame on you. They want me no, they want me no shame on you, no shame on you. No shame on you. Next victim! Schoolyard to the children. Used to be broke, money got me healing. You can't tell me how to make it. Welcome to the West Coast. This the best coast. You can find the best hoes in the best coast. Doing the dance and I action up and down. Freak out. I'm ready to say it to the freak out. Yeah. Welcome to the big show.
I look. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. Hey, I want to see you bust down. Little blue face is on right now. But, yo, I saw Little Fucking Skies and that shit was crazy. Like, I joined and I might have moshed just a little bit. Are you guys having fun? Are you having fun or are you miserable?
Yeah, but I'm getting cold now.
That's why you buy a sweater.
Go back!